Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Katie. Nice to meet you. I gotta tell you, ever since I got this shadow from Shiro Cosmetics, that Man Is Playing Galaga, I have been obsessed with the idea of doing like a sparkly smoky eye with it, because it is a black shadow with rainbow sparkles in it. So, I'm finally gonna do it. So let's just jump right in, because I'm a little too excited. Let's get some primer going on. Blind as always. So obviously my lovely little compact from ColourPop is broken. So I lost an old mirror. So I ordered one from Amazon, but it hasn't come in yet. Hopefully that'll happen soon, because that one has like a 10 times magnification on it. And as you can tell by how close I hold this to my face, I need some magnification. So I'm very excited to do that. So to make the base for this lovely look, we're going to use the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place. So many beautiful colors, but most importantly, this nice matte black. So we want to start with a nice transition shade. I'm not going to set this one with powder today, because I want this to be nice and, intense. So I'm just going to go into Katsina. I have to admit, I did not look up how to pronounce any of these. So if I'm butchering anything, I'm sorry. It's our transition shade. Hey, that's nice. These are like way pigmented. Obviously it's my first time using this palette. So I guess it's a bit of a first impression as well. And if they sucked, I was gonna be in big trouble, because that would have made this look not so good. I actually feel like I don't barely need to build this up. So yeah, this is gonna be my first smoky eye, so this could be real funny. Oh, by the way, that's my Beauty Junkies Pro Taper Blending Brush. I got it in a set from Amazon. They've been doing me quite nicely, and this one is a Coastal Scents, something or other, and sturdy. Don't pay no attention. I'm going to use this kind of orangey shade, I think, or maybe I should go straight in for that bright red. Might be kind of cool to have that bright color in there. You know, let me swatch these real quick. See what I think I like better. You know what? I feel like with that rainbow, I think I want the brighter color. Although maybe no, we're just gonna go for it. Let's go for it. Do the scary thing. All right, so let's concentrate that on here. I'm trying to get a nice outer V going. Yeah, I think that'll probably look pretty fun with that those darker shadows. And I'm getting this a little lower than I normally would, because I'm afraid of getting the black shadow too high up. It's a lovely color. I am quite enjoying that. And definitely, if one was not going for a smoky eye, I could just pop a shimmer on that lid and be done with it. And, some sort of inner corner highlight, I'm sure. All right, I'm a little out of sorts right at the moment. I think just because I'm nervous about doing this. So far, so good. In my travels of checking out some tutorials, I saw one where she put like a NYX, one of those like crayon eyeshadows. And I do not have that in a black, but I do have this eyeliner from Pixie. And I think I can smudge it out fairly well. Let's see. Yeah, that'll smudge. That'll smudge. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on my lid and keep it down low. And nice thing about this is I don't have to worry about it being neat. So I do want to make sure I get right up on that lash line now. And then come up a little. And then we'll go in and smudge it out. All right, here's hoping for the best here. Let's get that out. Side a little more. It is nice when you don't have to worry about being neat with your eyeliner. Which is why you saw my last video. And I did that cat eye with NYX thick thing that I was just talking about. What are those called? Jumbo sticks or something? Okay, so I'm gonna buff this baby out. Gonna get kind of a dense, where is one? Yeah, we'll just use this e.l.f. one. I'm gonna get kind of a dense blending brush. This one isn't my favorite, but it's the first one I saw. So we're just gonna buff out these edges here. Please. Oh my gosh, maybe I should try using my finger. Oh no, disaster. Okay, so this doesn't smudge that well on the eyelid, not as well as it did on my hand. Maybe I let it dry too long. Oh dear. Mistake. Oh my goodness. Okay, so don't do this with eyeliner. But maybe we can still get it to work. Get it smudged out a little bit at least. And hopefully the eyeshadow we put over it will help. There's a method to my madness here, I promise. I mean, why I didn't try this out before I started filming, because I want you guys to be able to learn from my mistakes. So, I mean, that still does not look good. But we're gonna go ahead and start in with that matte black and hope for the best. I'm gonna use this, what do they call it? Pro pencil brush, also from Beauty Junkies. We're gonna start on that outer V and kind of fill in with the matte black before we get into the sparkly stuff. So this is called Chad. Oh, I forgot to mention Sokoto was the color I used for my crease. All right, so let's start with just a little bit of Chad. And on that outer V here, yeah, I started with too little. Oh my goodness, this is scary. This is so scary. I kind of wish I had just gone with the black shadow. Actually, not kinda, I totally wish I had just gone with the black shadow, because that did not. I thought I was being so clever. It might still be salvageable, especially because I'm planning to kind of foil on the glitter stuff. Yeah, this might still be okay. Let me get that first brush we used, see if I can buff this out a little bit. Let me see what that looks like so far. I can live with it. All right, left eye. All right, we'll check it again. Okay. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and try to glitter it up a little. I'm so scared. Oh gosh. Oh, please don't be a disaster. So what I'm gonna try to do is just kind of get it on the tip here because I want it mostly along the lash line, and then I thought I'd build it up in the middle. So we're gonna start just a tiny little bit on the very tip. I don't know if you can see that. And then I'm gonna spray it with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. Pop. And we're gonna push that along the lashes. Glitter happening right there. Oh, I like it, I like it. This would actually be super awesome as just a liner, like without the smoky eye. Now that I'm seeing it on, just the lash line. Oh, well done, Shiro. And I'm getting a lot of fallout because that's just how I roll with loose shadows. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the left lash line before I start trying to put any on the inner corner here. Ah, I made it worse. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna need to go in with a makeup wipe under here before, I'm not actually gonna wear this out because it is currently almost 6:30 in the evening. But that's when I have time to film, folks. So, there you have it. Oh, it is so sparkly. I love this so much. So I also thought about the possibility of, and it's going on so dark, like you can even tell a difference between the regular black shadow and the eye with a eyeliner underneath it, and this stuff. This stuff is even blacker. Okay, so now I'm going to go a little more on this part of the brush and just kind of tap it in. And we're gonna foil the inner half, I'd say, of the lid and try to kind of blend it out. So there's a gradient happening. Yeah, for no particular reason, I'm starting on the left. Oh my God! You know what, screw that, I'm putting it everywhere. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's so sparkly. It's so sparkly. Oh, just, yeah, glitter me up. From the looks of it, I think this does benefit from having another shadow underneath it. So the alarm on my phone went off, so it cut off there. So I'm still foiling this on. I can't remember, I'm not sure where it left off, so I'm just gonna tell you, this would look, I think this would work even better with a glitter glue, but since this is my first time using it, I thought I would, it would be a little more, I would have a little more flexibility if I foiled it on instead of using the glitter glue. So, I'm sure I will be using this shadow again though, because it is awesome and sparkly. But next time I'll try it with some glitter glue. And I'm gonna go ahead, let me get something a little stiffer. I'm just using every brush. I don't even know what this is, but it's nice and stiff, and I want to buff this out a little more. Kind of transferred on me. I think I got it too high. So, try to make that a little bit smoother. Okay, let me wipe the fallout off. And then I'll try to do something with the lower lash line and put on some mascara. And hopefully it'll all be good. Maybe I can clean up that outer V while I've got this out. And there went all my concealer. Oh yes, slay girl. just fall out. And clean that up. I do like that nice crisp edge on this. Okay. That's probably just my skin turning red because I rubbed it. And I have sensitive down. Especially that right there in that corner, you know. All right, back into this palette. I am going to go ahead and use this one again, just the tip. Dirty. And smudge the lower lash line here. And I'm starting kind of on that outer V just because I want to make sure that they connect well. All right. And then I want something nice and precise for the black. So what am I going to use? I'm going to use this Wet n Wild eyeliner brush and come back into Chad. Probably also want to line that lower waterline. But in all honesty, that alarm that went off is the one that says, hey, time to put your kid in the shower. So I need to finish up. So we're going to skip that. And once this is done, I'm calling the look done. So, many thanks to Makeup Wipes for saving me. I'm okay with that. It actually looks good. I don't know how good it would look without the glasses. You can tell me. But it looks pretty good with the glasses on. On my usual e.l.f. I actually like, I have this Wet n Wild Skinny Mascara that I actually like a lot better. But I can't find it. I'm always losing things in this house. What's up with that? Huh? There's this one eyelash that just is like, bloop. Wonder if this would be better with like an inner corner highlight. You know what? Let me know your opinions down below. Should I put an inner corner highlight on this? Should I have decided, screw kids' bath time, put something in your waterline, dude? Just let me know. I'm gonna pop my glasses back on so I can see what I look like. You know, more than like a chunk of this size. And smoky, I'd say. So I hope you enjoyed this, my little adventure with smoky eye and lots of glitter. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Answer the questions I just asked you. Subscribe, ring the bell, and I gotta go get my kids showers. So talk to you later. Bye.